Morning students, 11th standard business maths, chapter number 4, trigonometry, exercise 4.2, 11th sum. Prove that sin b minus c divided by cos b cos c plus sin c minus a divided by cos c cos a plus sin a minus b divided by cos a cos b equal to 0. Solution, it's LHS equal to sin b minus c divided by cos b cos c plus sin c minus a divided by cos c cos a plus sin a minus b divided by cos a cos b. So we know that the formula sin a minus b equal to sin a cos b minus cos a sin b is the formula. So we should substitute formula here. Sin b minus c, then sin b sin c, sin b cos c, sin a minus b is the sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. So sin b minus c, then sin b cos c minus cos b sin c, cos b sin c divided by cos b cos c plus sin c minus a is a c, b is a a. So we should substitute sin c cos a minus cos c sin a divided by cos c cos a plus sin a minus b is a sin a cos b minus cos a sin b divided by cos a cos b is the formula. We should take a LCM is a cos a cos b cos c is a LCM. So cos a cos b cos c, these three terms only are repeated here in the denominator. So we should take LCM is a cos a cos b cos c. So here cos b and cos c is in the denominator. So we should multiply by numerator and denominator cos a, then cos a cos b cos c. So multiply by cos a. So multiple, then what is a cos a, ABC order we should write cos a sin b cos c minus cos a multiple, then cos a cos b sin c. This term we should plus is the symbol in the denominator cos c cos a is so we should multiply by cos b, then we get cos a cos b cos c. So cos b we should multiply this numerator. So what is here? Write in order also cos a cos b we should multiply. So cos b sin c minus sin a, write in order sin a cos b we should multiply. So cos b into cos c. Next cos a cos b we should multiply by cos c, then we get LCM cos a cos b cos c. So cos c we should multiply in the numerator cos c. So plus sin a cos b cos c minus cos a sin b into cos c. So cos A sin B cos C. Cos minus cos A sin B cos C is a plus and minus cancel. Next minus cos A cos B sin C. Plus cos A cos B sin C is a cancel. Next minus sin A cos B sin C plus sin A cos B cos C. So these two terms are cancelled. So that is equal to 0 divided by cos A cos B cos C equal to, we should 0 divided by anything is what? 0 equal to RHS. What is a 0? RHS, hence proved. That's all. Question number 12. If tan A minus tan B equal to x and cot B minus cot A equal to y, prove that cot A minus B equal to 1 by x plus 1 by y. We have to prove. Solution. Given tan A minus tan B equal to x. Next is cot B minus cot A equal to y. We should take a cot A minus cot B minus cot A equal to y. We should write this is we know that cot theta equal to 1 divided by tan theta is the formula. So we should substitute cot B is 1 by tan B minus 1 divided by cot A is tan A equal to y. Now cross multiple here. Take the LCM then. Tan B into tan A, cross multiple here, tan A minus cross multiple then tan B. This is taken LCM, that is equal to y. So we should tan A minus tan B, we know that tan A minus tan B equal to x. Substitute here, x divided by tan A, we should write in order tan A tan B. Tan A tan B equal to y. Now y we should take left, this terms we should take right hand side. X divided by y equal to tan A tan B. Tan A tan B. So this is the equation number 1. X by y value is what? Tan A tan B. We should take a LHS. LHS equal to cot A minus B. Cot A minus B equal to cot A minus B. We should write cot theta equal to 1 by tan theta. Same format we should use 1 divided by tan A minus B. 1 divided by tan A minus B. Tan A minus B formula we know that tan A minus B equal to tan A minus tan B divided by 1 plus tan A tan B is the formula. So we should substitute this formula here. 1 divided by tan A minus B is tan A minus tan B divided by 1 plus tan A into tan B. We should take this, it's a reciprocal. So what is it? 1 plus tan A tan B divided by tan A minus tan B. We should substitute this value equal to 1 plus tan A tan B value is x by y. X divided by y. Here from 1. Equation number 1, tan A, tan B value is x divided by y divided by tan A minus tan B. Already we know that given tan A minus tan B is what? X. So x. You should write LHS equal to 1 plus x by y divided by x. Now cross multiply here, take the LCM. Y, 1 into y is y plus x whole divided by y divided by x. We should take down here y plus x divided by y into x is xy. So we should write separate here y divided by xy divided by y plus x divided by xy. Now y cancel one time, x cancel one time. So 1 divided by x plus 1 divided by y. So cot a minus b equal to 1 by y plus 1 by y. So that is equal to RHS. Hence proved. That's all. Question number 13. If sin alpha plus sin beta equal to A and cos alpha plus cos beta equal to B, then prove that cos alpha minus beta equal to A square plus B square minus 2 divided by 2. Solution. Given sin alpha plus sin beta equal to A. Next cos alpha plus cos beta equal to B. Then prove that cos alpha minus beta equal to A square plus B square minus 2 divided by 2. We should take RHS, we should prove LHS. RHS equal to A square plus B square minus 2 divided by 2. That is equal to A is, we know that the sin alpha plus sin beta. So sin alpha plus sin beta whole square plus B square. B is cos alpha plus cos beta. Cos alpha plus cos beta whole square minus 2 divided by 2. We know that the formula A plus B whole square equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. Substitute this formula. A is sin alpha, B is sin beta. So A square sin square alpha plus 2AB. 2 into A is sin alpha, B is sin beta plus B square sin square beta plus cos A plus cos B whole square. So this is A, this is B, A plus B whole square. Same formula we should use. A square cos square alpha plus 2 into cos alpha cos beta AB cos beta plus B square cos square beta minus 2 divided by 2. Write in order. Square terms first. Sin square alpha plus cos square alpha. Next sin square beta plus cos square beta plus 2 sin alpha sin beta plus 2 cos alpha cos beta minus 2 divided by 2. So we know that the formula sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So sin square alpha plus cos square alpha, its value is what? 1 RHS equal to 1 plus sin square beta plus cos square beta value is 1 plus these two terms 2 is the common, take out 2 into sin alpha sin beta plus cos alpha cos beta minus 2 whole divided by 2. 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 2 into cos a minus b equal to formula cos a minus b equal to cos a cos b plus sin a sin b is the formula. So sin of 2 into right in formula model. So cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta minus 2 divided by 2. It is equal to 2 minus 2 cancel. 2 into cos a cos b plus sin a sin b formula cos a minus b. So cos alpha minus beta, cos alpha minus beta divided by 2. Now 2 cancel. That is equal to cos alpha minus beta. Its values is LHS. RHS equal to LHS, hence proved. That's all. 14. Find the value of tan pi by 8. Solution. We know that two tan a divided by 1 minus tan square a equal to tan 2a is the formula. Later a equal to pi by 8. We should substitute a equal to pi by 8. Then what is there? 2 into tan pi by 8 divided by 1 minus tan square pi by 8 equal to tan 2 into pi by 8. A value is pi by 8. 2 and 8 is cancelled 4 times. So 2 tan pi by 8 divided by 1 minus tan square pi by 8 equal to tan pi by 4. 2 tan pi by 8 divided by 1 minus tan square pi by 8 equal to tan pi by 4 value is tan 45 degree. Tan pi by 4 is tan 45. So 2 tan pi by 8 divided by 1 minus tan square pi by 8 equal to tan 45 degree is what? 1. Now cross multiple. 2 tan pi by 8 equal to 1 into 1 minus tan square pi by 8 is 1 minus tan square pi by 8. So we should take this is the left hand side, all the terms, write in order also. Minus tan square pi by 8, take left, then plus tan square pi by 8 plus 2 tan pi by 8, 1 plus 1 we should take left, then minus 1 equal to 0. This is a quadratic formula. So we should use the quadratic formula here. A is a coefficient of x square, that means tan square pi by 8. What is 1? B is a coefficient of x term, that means tan pi by 8 is what? 2. C is a constant term, minus 1. So we know that the formula x square equal to x equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a is the formula. So x is a tan pi by 8 now. Tan pi by 8 equal to minus b minus 2 plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac. B is a 2 square minus 4 into a into c. A is 1, c is a minus 1. 1 into minus 1 divided by 2a. 2 into a values is a 1. So tan pi by 8 equal to minus 2 plus or minus root of 2 square is a 4. 4 into 1 4. 4 into minus 1 is a plus 4 divided by 2 into 1 is a 2. It is equal to minus 2 plus or minus root of 4 plus 4 is 8 divided by 2. It is equal to tan pi by 8 equal to minus 2 plus or minus root of 4 into 2 is a 8 divided by 2. Now take the square root. Minus 2 plus or minus square root of 4 is what? 2 root 2 divided by 2. Now 2 is a common, take out. Minus 1 plus or minus root 2 divided by 2. Now 2 cancel. Tan pi by 8 equal to minus 1 plus or minus root 2. So tan pi by 8 equal to minus 1 plus root 2, or tan pi by 8 equal to minus 1 minus root 2. It is not possible. Not possible. Here it is a acute. This is acute angle, so we should take a tan pi by 8 equal to minus 1 plus root 2 is the answer. So we should find out tan pi by 8. Tan pi by 8 equal to minus 1 plus root 2 is the answer. That's all. Number 15. If tan alpha equal to 1 by 7, sin beta equal to 1 by root of 10, prove that alpha plus 2 beta equal to pi by 4, where 0 less than alpha less than pi by 2 and 0 less than beta less than pi by 2. Solution: given tan alpha equal to 1 by 7 and sin beta equal to 1 divided by root of 10, prove that alpha plus 2 beta equal to pi by 4. Here given 0 less than alpha less than pi by 2 and 0 less than beta less than pi by 2. This alpha and beta are in the first quadrant. 0 to pi by 2, pi, 3 pi divided by 2, next again 0. It's a alpha comma beta are in the first quadrant. First quadrant all the ratios are positive. So we should take all the ratios are what? Positive first quadrant. So we should find sin beta equal to 1 divided by root of 10. The right triangle we should take A, B, C. This is a beta. Opposite divided by hypotenuse. Opposite is what? 1. Hypotenuse is what? Root of 10. We should find out adjacent side. So we know that the formula by Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. We should find out BC square now. So AC square is root of 10 whole square equal to AB is 1 square plus BC square. Root of 10 whole square is what? 10 equal to 1 square is 1 plus BC square. We should take a 10 minus 1 is 9 equal to BC square. So BC equal to take the square root, then what is there? 3. So 3 is BC. We should find now tan beta. Tan beta equal to opposite divided by adjacent. So opposite is what? 1 divided by adjacent is what? 3. So we know that the formula, we know that tan A plus B equal to tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A tan B. So we should take A equal to alpha, B equal to 2 beta. B equal to 2 beta we should take. So substitute here tan alpha plus 2 beta equal to tan alpha plus tan 2 beta divided by 1 minus tan A tan B, tan alpha into tan 2 beta. So we should substitute this value here, tan alpha plus 2 beta equal to tan alpha value, we know that tan alpha equal to 1 by 7 plus tan 2 beta. So tan beta equal to 1 by 3. Tan 2 beta equal to 2 tan beta, formula is divided by 1 minus tan square beta is the formula. So we should substitute this value here, 2 into tan beta value 1 by 3 divided by 1 minus tan square beta is 1 by 3 whole square. So that is equal to 2 by 3 divided by 1 minus 1 square is 1 divided by 9. So this is a tan 2 beta value. We should substitute tan 2 beta. What is the 2 by 3 divided by 1 minus 1 by 9 whole divided by 1 minus tan alpha is 1 by 7. Tan alpha is 1 by 7 into tan 2 beta is we know that 2 by 3 divided by 1 minus 1 by 9. 2 by 3 divided by 1 minus 1 by 9. So that is equal to 1 by 7 plus 2 by 3 divided by 1 9s are 9, 9 minus 1 is 8, 8 by 9 divided by 1 minus 1 by 7 into 2 by 3 divided by 1 9s are 9, 9 minus 1 is 8, 8 by 9. So now take the LCM here, cross multiple, then 1 by 7 into 8 by 9 plus 2 by 3 whole divided by 8 by 9 divided by, now 8 by 9 take the LCM, it's a cross multiple, then 8 by 9 minus 1 by 7 into 2 by 3 whole divided by 8 by 9. Now 8 by 9 cancel. So that is equal to 1 by 7, 1 into 8 is 8 divided by 7 9s are 63 plus 2 divided by 3 divided by 8 by 9 minus 1 2s are 2 divided by 7 3s are 21. It is equal to tan alpha plus 2 beta equal to 63 is the LCM. So 8 divided by 63 plus 2 into 21 divided by 3 into 21. 3 into 21 is 63 divided by, here also 63 is the LCM. 8 divided by 9 into 6 is 63. 8 into 9 into 7 is 63. 8 into 7 minus 2 divided by 21 into 3 is 63. So into 3. Take the LCM. 63 is the LCM. So that is equal to 8 divided by 63 plus 2 into 21 is 42 divided by 63. 3 into 21 divided by 8 7s are 56 divided by 9 7s are 63 minus 2 3s are 6. 21 into 3 is 63. So we should add 63 is the LCM. 63. 8 plus 42 is 50 divided by 56 minus 6 is 50 divided by 63. So 50 divided by 63, 50 divided by 63 is cancelled one time. So tan alpha plus 2 beta equal to 1. One value we know that tan 45 degree. So both sides tan is cancelled. Therefore alpha plus 2 beta equal to 45 degree. That is equal to alpha plus 2 beta equal to 45 degree. We should write in radian measure pi divided by 4. Alpha plus 2 beta value is what? Pi by 4. Hence proved. That's all.